Another day, another story. Iran, officially known as the Islamic Republic of Iran, is a country in Western Asia. With a rich history dating back thousands of years, Iran has been a center of culture, trade, and civilization. Today, it is a nation that blends ancient traditions with modern influences. Here are 10 fascinating facts about Iran. Number 1. Historical heritage. Iran boasts a long and storied history, with ancient civilizations like the Persian Empire contributing significantly to global culture. The Achaemenid Empire, founded by Cyrus the Great in the 6th century BCE, is considered one of the world's first superpowers. Number 2. Persepolis. Persepolis, an archaeological site in Iran, was once the capital of the Achaemenid Empire. The city's impressive ruins include grand palaces and ceremonial complexes, offering a glimpse into the architectural and artistic achievements of ancient Persia. Number 3. Islamic Republic. Following the Islamic Revolution in 1979, Iran became an Islamic Republic. The revolution resulted in the establishment of an Islamic government led by Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khomeini, marking a significant shift in the country's political landscape. Number 4. Nuclear program. Iran's nuclear program has been a source of international attention and controversy. The country asserts that its nuclear activities are for peaceful purposes, while some nations have expressed concerns about the potential for weaponization. Number 5. Diverse landscapes. Iran is characterized by diverse landscapes, ranging from deserts and mountains to forests and coastlines along the Caspian Sea and the Persian Gulf. Each region offers unique ecosystems and natural wonders. Number 6. Cultural heritage. Persian culture has had a profound impact on the arts, literature, and philosophy. Iranian literature, including works by poets like Rumi and Hafiz, remains influential globally. Persian carpets, renowned for their intricate designs, are also highly sought after. Number 7. Culinary Delights. Iranian cuisine is known for its flavorful dishes, often featuring rice, herbs, and a variety of spices. Kebabs, stews, and rice dishes like chelo kebab and tachan are popular, reflecting the country's diverse culinary traditions. Number 8. Youthful population. Iran has a predominantly young population, with a significant percentage under the age of 30. This demographic dynamic has implications for the country's social and economic development. Number 9. Mount Damavand. Mount Damavand, located in the Alborz mountain range, is the highest peak in Iran and the highest volcano in Asia. It is a significant symbol in Persian mythology and literature, often associated with heroism and resistance. Number 10. Ancient cities. Iran is home to several ancient cities with well-preserved historical sites. Isfahan, known for its stunning architecture, and Shiraz, celebrated for its gardens and poetic heritage, are among the must-visit destinations for history and culture enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.